I'm a predominantly English speaker and this is a predominantly Hindi crowd, and I'm thinking in my head how to do justice to it. I'll go in bits and pieces. जब मैं 12 साल की थी, एक दिन मेरा बाप घर आके बोलता है कि मेरे जेब में 5,000 रुपये है और बस, ठीक है, बैंक अकाउंट सीज हो गया। मेरे माँ को बोलता है, मैंने सुन लिया था, घर में 2 और मेरे छोटे भाई बहन हैं एंड हम काफ़ी अमीर नेबरहुड में रहते थे। फ्रॉम दैट डे ऑनवर्ड्स आई बिकेम बल इन अ वेरी रिच नेबरहुड। लोकल बसेस में ट्रैवल करना, माँ 5-2-3 रुपए इकट्ठा करके हमें स्विमिंग लेके जाती थी। उसके बाद 10-10 घंटे का स्विमिंग करके ऑल 3 of us, मी, माई ब्रदर, माई सिस्टर, हम लोग इंटरनेशनल स्विमर्स बने। वी यूज्ड टू स्विम फॉर द कंट्री। इंडिया को काफ़ी रिप्रेजेंट किया है। स्ट्रक्चर वक्चर उस हिसाब से मतलब उधर से आया है। And in the swimming, I used to swim butterfly. If you know what the strokes are, it is the toughest and the most demanding stroke there is. From there, I became Divya, the international swimmer. I was excellent at my studies. काफ़ी सारे एडिक्ट इधर आके बोलते कि मैंने पढ़ाई ख़त्म नहीं की। मैंने डिग्री किया, उसके बाद मास्टर्स भी किया। I hold a master's in psychology, and I was excellent at it. It came naturally. There was no fight there. I studied even though I was high and I was doing drugs. Then came the fall from grace, जब स्विमिंग बंद हो गया, जितना सारा टाइम था, घर पे बाप काफ़ी मारते थे, मेरे को भी, माँ को भी, जो भी मिले हाथ में, हाँ, ब्लेड, बेल्ट, जूता, गरम चाय, मतलब I've spent a childhood with a very, very, very abusive father. And then it just became, Divya, poor me, the poor girl with a very abusive father. The drugs came naturally उसके बाद, घर पे रह नहीं सकते, मार खाते खाते कॉलेज जाके ड्रग्स शुरू कर लिया। बहुत अच्छा लगा, एस्केप मिला, और क्यों नहीं, ऐसी लाइफ है घर पे तो क्यों नहीं। ड्रग्स में जो भी हाथ मिला किया। आई रिमेंबर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पेनफुल मेमोरीज, इंजेक्ट करती थी एंड में, तो दिन में 15-20-30 बार इंजेक्शन की कोशिश में शायद एक मिल जाए, वेन्स मर गए। एंड आई रिमेंबर वेकिंग अप in a bathroom in a pool of my own blood, and then I became Divya, the drug addict. I came into NA by the same man that gave me my first fix, cosmic karma. So the man that taught me how to fix drugs was the man that walked me into my first meeting. आई रिमेंबर मैं मीटिंग गई और 40-50 लोग थे। वो फ़िलहाल जो मीटिंग में गई थी वो मेरा आज होम ग्रुप है, और 40-50 लोग अपने प्रॉब्लम शेयर कर रहे हैं, कोई रो के, कोई हंस के, कोई ये हो गया, वो हो गया, वगैरह वगैरह सुन के एंड में बोला क्वेश्चन आंसर टाइम। तो मैंने हाथ ऊपर करके बोला, यार आप लोग ने तो सब प्रॉब्लम शेयर कर ली, जवाब देने वाला कब आ रहा है? फिर सब लोग एक एक करके हंस के बोले कीप कमिंग बैक। मेरे को बहुत अजीब लगा, यार सवाल कौन दे रहा है सब प्रॉब्लम्स का। एनीवे, देन आई बिकेम दिव्या द एडिक्ट, एंड रिमेंबर आई कंटिन्यूड। आई न्यू that if I hadn't seen that man down my house, he was burning love letters, the guy who got me for the first meeting, that if I didn't do service, that other people like me wouldn't know NA existed, right? So they said secretary bano, treasurer bano, अरे पूरा मतलब चाय का बर्तन उठाओ, जो भी है. I did it all, you know, I did it very willingly. There was no fight in my head. The fellowship in Bangalore, and I know many of them are here, I love them to bits, you know. Everyone gives me a little bit of hope. And I thank God every day that I cleaned up in Bangalore City. I went into doing service. I became Divya, the chick who does countdown. I became Divya, the convention chair, you know. I became the person they call when they want to do some big activity in NA Bangalore. I'm very grateful. They've given me a lot of love. Over the last year and a half, मेरे को किसी ने एक जॉब के बारे में बोला था और वो जॉब के 500 एप्लीकेंट्स थे. And I said, okay, you know, let's do this, let's give this a try. And I had an NA member help me put the presentation together. I had a school friend's husband teach me about VC investments. I had another person teach me sector knowledge. I mean, there were 7 people that got together to help me apply for this job, you know, and there were 450 applicants. One of them is sitting right here. I'm so grateful. 8 months later, and what I believe is because of the fact that I wanted it more than the rest of them, I became, you know, Divya, the spokesperson for the City of London. And over the last year, I had to walk out of a very painful relationship that had coming for over 2-3 years. You know, I knew what I needed to do, but I had 2 siblings that were getting married. I sucked it up for the sake of my family. You know, I said, chalo, every time दिव्या की वजह से लोग सर झुक के चलते हैं, ये बार तो थोड़ा अलग होना चाहिए. So I kept quiet. I sucked it up. I said, you know, you're doing this by choice. This is not being done to you, right? You stay in this for as long as it suits you, and then you walk out when the time is right. And my brother got married in July, and I walked out a month later. So now I'm Divya, the divorcee, right? And the reason I said couple of these things, और ये मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ, is because I realized over the last year that I have been the walking, talking symptoms of my situations. You know, that's all I've been. अगर situation खराब है, तो मेरा headspace खराब है, दिव्या खराब है, वो आपसे जैसे बात करेगी वो खराब है. अगर situations अच्छा है, headspace अच्छा है, दिव्या अच्छा है, और वो आपसे जैसे बात करेगी वो अच्छा है. You know, I changed regularly because of the situations I was in. And that struck me like a rock last year. कि बहनचोद इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम देके, इतने सारे स्पॉन्सर के साथ काम करके, अगर मेरा पूरा बर्ताव, बात करने का तरीका, my thought process, I don't know if I'm shaking or the podium is, but something shaking, will change because of that, then I've really not achieved too much. So it struck me, you know, I was talking to a member in the morning, and it struck me sometime last year that, you know, I disassociated myself with my situations, and regardless of what the situations were, I tried to level my headspace and my personality. Now, how I did that is in a few steps, you know. I realized that the only thing I can control, or the only thing I have in my hand, is my thought process. That was a very powerful realization for me, you know, कि खाली मेरा thought process पे थोड़ा काबू है कि मैं कितना negative उसको लेके जा सकती हूँ. And that's when I stopped, you know. I said, okay, if there's someone in front of me and I don't like him, I will think nothing at all, you know. I will try and either force myself to think positive, or I shut myself off and I walk away. You know, because I don't want that shitty headspace governing who I am anymore. So acceptance, which is the topic for me, it changed, you know. I used to accept everything that happened to me because I had no choice. और choiceless acceptance क्या है, you know? आप left जा रहे हो क्योंकि right का दरवाजा बंद है, आप रोके जाओगे, मार के जाओगे, anger के साथ, resentment के साथ जाओगे, जो मैंने पूरी life की है. That's not fucking acceptance, man. That's something else. That's like choiceless, right का दरवाजा बंद था, आप left चले गए रो के, you know. That's not acceptance. Acceptance comes with a few things. Acceptance comes with grace. Acceptance comes with letting go. Acceptance comes with a great headspace. And I learned all that last year, you know. I sit across the man that I'm now divorced to. We have dinner together. I wish him luck with his future endeavors, you know. I've accepted my situation in life 100% with a smile and love in my heart, because I understand that like me, he's as sick, you know. Like us all, if he wants to get better, he can. And it has no bearing on who I am as a person. It has no bearing on everything I've achieved for myself today or in NA or outside. You know, he has no bearing on my life. People were saying, go hold your head up high in the NA convention. That wasn't even a question for me, man. They're my people. I formed relationships with many of y'all over the years. Before the man, I will continue so after the man. And that's all I know. So why should I hold my head up high? It comes naturally. I will hold my head up high with you till the day I die. You know, I don't need that support to be with y'all. Y'all are family. I remember I met a member in the airport, in Chennai airport. And the thought running in my head at that point was, I have grown up with these people. You know, मैं आपके साथ बड़ी हुई हूँ. मैं 12 साल पहले आई थी. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I was a little girl. 12 years later, so much has changed, you know. Friends, family, marriage, jobs, blah, blah, blah. Your face is still there in the crowd. You've been the same. I've seen you grow old. You've seen me grow old. Fuck yeah, man. We've grown up together, you know. There's no lack of acceptance there. There's no lack of love there, you know. I guess I thought I was talking smart, maybe not. So the one line that जो मैंने सीखा है ना, एक्सेप्टेंस काफ़ी सारे चीज़ों के साथ आता है, और अगर आपको रो के एक्सेप्ट करना है तो वो एक्सेप्टेंस कभी था ही नहीं. एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर दीज कपल ऑफ लर्निंग्स दैट द लास्ट ईयर हैज टॉट मी, यू नो, बिकॉज इट्स ओनली थ्रू आवर पेन. सबसे ज़्यादा जो पेनफुल टाइम्स है आपके लाइफ में वो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा सिखा भी जाता है. So I'm very grateful for my pain. I own it. I'm no longer a walking, talking symptoms of my situation. I'm grateful for that. It may change tomorrow, but it's okay, man. We'll pick ourselves up and do it all over again. Thank you for letting me share.